Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix your account has not been charged in Roblox. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, you have to open Roblox on your browser. For that, you can open any preferred browser and search for roblox.com, and here we are on the official website. In order to check whether the issue has been fixed or not, if the issue has been fixed, then you're lucky enough. But if the issue has not been fixed, then you have to open robloxstatus.com. So let's open a new tab and search for robloxstatus.com. Then you have to choose this link, and once it is loaded, you have to confirm the operational status of the Roblox system. As you can see, all the Roblox systems are currently operational. The status gets refreshed in a few seconds, which means that the Roblox server is definitely running smoothly. But if you are experiencing what is referred to as a service disruption, then your best course of action is to wait until the system returns to operational status. Once the system is operational, get back to Roblox and check if the issue has been solved or not. If you are still facing the same problem, then stop using Roblox for a few days or restart your computer. By following this, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's basically how you can fix your account has not been charged in Roblox. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.